Hey, what's going on, guys? This video is going to be a very real testimonial for HostGator, and I wanted to make this review because a lot of the videos out there were very fake, and I didn't like that. So I wanted to put my little touch and give my HostGator review, kind of say, what I like about it, what I don't like about it as well, so you can kind of make that informed decision yourself. But one of the main things that I really enjoy about HostGator is the ease of it all. They've got absolutely phenomenal control panel that makes everything very easy to access, including something called Quick Install. It's a little icon on your control panel, and you can install a blog, a forum, a social network, any of these types of sites you can install onto your domain name. And so you never have to touch a line of code, and you can create these complex websites in like 10 seconds with a click of a button. So that's one thing that's really cool for people that aren't very tech savvy. But then additionally too, they have all the normal stuff like FTP and everything like that to be able to upload your files if you are techie and like to make your own websites and go down that route. And then additionally on top of that too, they've got absolutely phenomenal support. And these are the main reasons that I really like HostGator, is because I've used GoDaddy in the past. And GoDaddy's support and backend are absolutely horrible. Their support is outsourced. They don't know what they're talking about. But HostGator, they must have it in-house or something because their support is absolutely phenomenal. There's really only one thing that I can actually knock HostGator for, and it's not even really a big knock. And it's just that I think their primary focus is, or I'm going to say it this way, I think they grew very fast. And so when you look at some aspects on the site, the user interface is a slight bit outdated as compared to, maybe a Bluehost or something like that. But that, obviously doesn't affect the performance of your website, the uptime, anything like that. It's really just a aesthetic thing that's just like, oh, this one looks a little bit outdated, and they're probably going to get around to updating it too. But that's really the only thing I can knock HostGator for. It's really a phenomenal company, and hopefully this review can kind of push you over the edge to going with HostGator, because I have worked with Bluehost, I have worked with GoDaddy, I've worked with HostMonster, and now I'm on HostGator, and it's just absolutely a phenomenal site, a phenomenal host to host your website. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. I also put a link in the description to a site called Coupon Avengers. Just looks like this. And the page on their site, they have a whole bunch of coupon codes to be able to save money with HostGator. So if you're going to go sign up with HostGator, don't pay the full price, but rather use one of these coupon codes, because you can just copy it. And the thing I like about it is that they update this so frequently. Like this was updated today to say that it's still working. And you can just copy it and go on over to HostGator, and you'll put it in. You'll get a phenomenal deal when you start hosting with them. So I hope you can get a good use out of that too. So I put a link in the description for you guys. So I hope you can grab that, save some money, and enjoy creating your website.